going to show you how to set your WhatsApp security. WhatsApp has become one of the most important platforms for communication, and it is used almost in every country. However, we cannot say that it is entirely safe and secured. It can be though, depending on how you set it. So if you've opened your WhatsApp, I want you to over here the option tab, you touch it, and then you click on or touch on setting. Account setting, we're looking for account privacy and security. So over here then privacy. Now for privacy, what you need to understand is it enables you to set give people the right to see what you do at all times or at some times. So for your last scene, for instance, it gives you the option for you to choose who should be able to or who would be able to see the last time you were active on WhatsApp, as in allowing everyone or only your contact. In my case, I prefer nobody. And my profile photo, well, everyone can view my profile photo. And then about the information you put about you and also your status, who you allow to view or read your status. Okay, so read receipt is one important thing. Once it is on, it means you are not going to be able to see whether the message you send or whether a message you send has been read by your recipient. The same way, when you read your recipient's message, they are not going to see that you have read it. So if you don't want it, you leave it like this so that it takes blue for it to see for you to see what's up. And also in groups. The reason I'm taking time to explain this to you is mostly whenever there is an update or upgrade on the WhatsApp platform, as in the WhatsApp application, we normally get information that WhatsApp has reset or upgraded, and from today you need to do this, you need to do that so that your account will be safe. Please, it's never true. WhatsApp works with policies. If you want to view some, can come over here to security, and then where we have them all, you read it. WhatsApp works with security, and there's no way the CEO is going to send you any message privately or globally that do this. When there is an upgrade in their privacy, okay, or terms, they communicate it across for everyone to see, but not the WhatsApp CEO sending messages that you need to know. It doesn't work that way. So please, you take note. It's very important. And then also, two-step verification. Now, locking your WhatsApp application or app with a password such that you enter a password or a PIN before it opens is good. But that does not mean your WhatsApp is any secured. For instance, if your phone gets missing and I have access to your account, your contact, I can be able to open that same WhatsApp of yours on another phone. However, let me show you one way to go about it to lock it so that no one can ever do that. Over here, mine is active. Other than that, you would have seen a green button here with enable. If you enable two-step verification, what you are doing is that whenever your phone or whenever your account, WhatsApp account, is being activated on any other phone, you have to approve it from your end with a verification code that you are going to set here before it can be able to work. So for instance, I have activated mine. If I am activating it on another phone, or if another person is trying to activate it on another phone, I'm going to get a pop-up or a prompt message asking me that I activate it. If I don't, no matter how many times they try, it's not going to work. Okay, so please, you take note, you may enable it, but once you enable it, you have to remember PIN that you are using. Okay, and here you will be able to change your number. Maybe I am using 0263 314908. Okay, I want to change it to 054221. All right, I'm not changing my number, so I just have to click on next, and then it takes me there. Good. You can also request a report of your activities on WhatsApp to see what you've been doing. It takes 3 days. I requested one recently, and it will be ready tomorrow. So WhatsApp is very secured. It's nice for you to be using WhatsApp. However, I cannot tell you that all the information that you save or store on WhatsApp is going to be between you and the person you are chatting with. Even though WhatsApp guarantees that with end-to-end encryption, the communication between you and the other party remains just between you. Well, you just need to think twice, especially when you are putting something that is highly private out there. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.